It's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLB. With boxy ruggedness and sporty everything else, the GLB is a compact package big in being what you want your luxury SUV to be. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auto shift manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, inductive device charging, voice-activated climate controls, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.